Hello guys, today I will tell you how to get more views, likes and comments on your videos. If you follow this step, you can easily get more views, likes and comments on your videos. Firstly, open your Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, download Telegram. Go on Telegram app and search for YouTube likes and comments and views. Join the group. Type list on the group and then you will get a list of all the videos that you have to like and comment. Once you have done that, paste your YouTube video link on the group and your video will be added to that list. Now all the remaining people who want to add their videos in that list will have to comment and like your video. Once your video get added to that list, you will start getting views, likes and comments. Open your Telegram and search for YouTube likes and comments and views, as you can see here on the top of my Telegram account. Once you are here, just type list and send it on the group. Once you have sent it, you will see a message like this. Click the button below and press start to get the list. And then you will get the list. You will see your 15 YouTube links. Now what you have to do is click on each and every YouTube link and give a like and comment on that video. Once you are done doing that, just click on the L for L YouTube and it will take you to the group. Then you have to just copy and paste your video link in this group. Once you are done that, you will get a message like this that your video is added to the list. Now everyone else will go on the list and give a like and comment to your videos. That not only will increase your likes and comments, but in turn it will also help to gain more views on your channel. Also, you can get the link to join this group on my video description. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it helps you to gain more views, likes and comments on your videos too.